Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's technology tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to enable remote desktop connection in Windows. So step by step we'll go through the process. So here go to your property system properties, and here you can find a setting. So you can find the setting for the remote desktop connection. So remote desktop setting, you click on the remote desktop setting, you will get a here option. So enable the connect to the use any PC to another device using the remote desktop app. So here you can enable that. This is the process, and here it will ask you the confirmation. So if you confirm, then it will give you the this one detail of the remote desktop PC. So this is my PC name, and similarly I did from the another system, and I'll show you the how to take a remote from that. So just write Windows plus R and go to the MSTSC, and another option is click on Windows, then just type remote desktop connection, and if you click it will open the pop-up window. There you have to provide the computer details. So my another computer details is 192.168.1.3. the this IP should be accessible. If you accessible, you can check with the ping. If ping is enabled, ICMP is enabled, then you can just check with the ping. And my system IP is 192.168.1.5. This is my system IP, and I am taking remote of another system that is IP is 1.3. So just click. It will ask you the username and password. Provide the username as given. So this is my username for the second system, and password I have. So just click on that. You can able to see this is my remote system, and in my local system ipconfig ipconfig. So my remote system IP is 192.168.1.3, and my IP 192.168.1.5. So I'm taking remote 1.3 from the 1.5. So this is the process. We can take a remote any server. So in this video we have learned how to enable remote desktop connection in Windows. So please subscribe and like for the more videos. Thank you for watching.